Star.
Rectangle.
Triangle.
Oops. Oval.
Oval.
Diamond.
No.
Square.
It's triangle.
Rectangle. Oval.
It's a circle.
Circle.
What shape is that?
Rectangle.
A square.
Square. A heart.
A heart. Where does a heart go? A diamond. And what shape is that? What shape is that? You gonna do it again?